Hey, thanks for tuning in to the Maryland Secret and University of Maryland Extension's Aquaculture Video Education Series. My name's Shannon Hood. I'm with the University of Maryland Center for Environmental Science. In this video, we'll talk about how to control biofouling on your oysters and cages using an acetic acid solution or vinegar. Now, before you get started, it's important to try out this technique or any new husbandry method on your farm on a small subset of your oysters first. We've tested these methods and have not seen any subsequent mortality of the oysters. However, your oysters may be in a different condition or a different state. And so it's always important with this or any other new husbandry technique to try it out on a small subsample of oysters first before you apply it to the entire farm. Now, let's start by gathering materials. You'll need a bucket to measure the volume of solutions and a vessel that can hold your culture gear. Submerge a piece of gear in the vessel and determine how much water you need to just cover the gear. Here we need to create a 5% vinegar solution. I'm starting with a 45% vinegar, and we need to dilute with water to reach a 5% concentration. To calculate the ratio of vinegar to water, we'll use a simple dilution calculator. Don't be scared off by this. It looks more complicated than it is, and we're gonna walk through it together. So here, the concentration of our starting solution is 45%, because that's the concentration of vinegar I'm starting with. The volume needed of that solution is what we need to figure out. The concentration of solution 2 is 5% because that's the vinegar concentration that we're targeting. And the volume needed of solution 2 is 54 liters in this case because that's how much solution I need to cover the cage in the tote that I'm using for this dip. Now, working through this equation, we have 45, which is the concentration of vinegar, times X, our unknown, equals 5, our target vinegar concentration, times 54, our target volume. Solving for X tells us that we need 6 liters of 45% vinegar plus 48 liters of water to yield 54 liters of a 5% vinegar solution. And if this part trips you up, just reach out and I'm happy to help. Prepare the solution based on the volumes that we just calculated and then begin the dipping process. Briefly shake the oysters to ensure they're closed tightly, and then submerge the cage in the vessel and allow it to sit in solution for 1 minute. Remove from the solution and allow it to sit in air for 15 minutes, then repeat with additional cages and redeploy to your farm. Thanks for tuning in to this aquaculture education video. If you have questions, please contact us and please check out the other instructional videos on our YouTube channel.